A developing independent trader asked me, how can I better hold my trades to target? I put together 8 ideas for this trader to think about, and perhaps it'll help your trading. So number 1, and let's go to a tweet that I recently shared with the community. Underperforming traders recognize problems and then wallow about how they need to fix them. Elite traders recognize problems and then determine specific solutions powered by effective best practices. So I love what this trader is doing by reaching out to help find specific solutions. This is what elite traders do. So number 2, develop your trading playbook. Okay, so now I'm gonna get on this trader a little bit, and when I read questions like this or get questions like this from traders, my first thought is, this trader's playbook is incomplete. There are trades to scalp, there are trades to hold. These are different trades. Trades to scalp that go higher are not trades that you should have held. Trades to hold that do not reach target are not to be scalped. You need to define specifically which trades you will scalp. You need to define specifically which trades you're going to hold. And then in real time, you won't be confused. After the fact, you will not regret. You will trade your system. Now, that doesn't mean you're not going to measure and tweak your system along the way, and maybe past scalps are going to become trades to hold for you. But you will be trading your well-defined playbook. And for an example of this, check out a video from our channel that Kyle V put together. The title is, you can just do a search on it, Flag Breakout Trade, to see an example of how we do a playbook trade. All right, number 3, write down your target. This is advice that we often give to developing traders on our desk. Write down your target. Write down your exit target on a piece of paper. Keep that piece of paper in front of you on your trading desk and refer to it while you're in a trade to hold. This is an old school and super effective technique to get you holding to target. This little piece of paper on your trading desk in front of you will remind you and help you to hold to target. If you want to learn 3 more real-world setups that our traders use, including the simple setup that we teach all of our new traders, and the setup that turned one of our traders into a 7-figure big money earner, check out the free webinar that we're currently running. Just go ahead and click the link that should be appearing now at the top right-hand corner of your screen. That will open up the free registration page in a new window, so don't worry, you won't lose this video. You can also visit tradingworkshop.com to register for this free intensive workshop. You're going to learn more in a couple of hours from this trading workshop than from years of online education. 4, practice holding a core to target. You don't have to solve this problem tomorrow. You can take your scalp for most of your position and then hold a small core to target. Measure your holds to target and see if you have success doing so. If so, then consistently add size and risk with these trades to target. Consider getting better holding. Don't worry about being a market wizard instantly. All right, number 5, visualize holding to target. Right now, the only response you've built in your trading brain when holding a trade is to be anxious, to cut it. I don't want to give back profits. You need to build another way for your brain to react in real time. Visualization exercises can help. During these exercises, visualize holding to target to build this mental ability for your trading business. And Dr. Steenbarger, our trading coach at our firm, the best trading coach in the country, check out his blog and what he's written on visualization. Just go to Trader Feed and check it out. All right, number 6. Tag and measure your trading results. Tag all of your trades and measure them in TraderView or something like TraderView. Tag for scalps. Tag for trades to hold. If during your monthly review your trading statistics show that you have an edge with your trades to hold, then you know to grow this part of your business. In real time, You're going to be armed with your trading stats, shooting confidence into your trading brain. You've earned the confidence to trade bigger with your trades to hold. Your trading stats tell you so. And one of the traders on our desk, Justin, uses stats after tagging and measuring your trades better than anyone at S&B Capital to drive his changes and performance. And you can see one of his videos on our channel, how a professional trader reviews his trading performance, and get a look at that. Number 7, start with the low-hanging fruit. What A-plus trades can you take tomorrow to start holding to target? Start with your best trades. Again, you don't have to become expert tomorrow at holding to target. Show yourself you can with some trades. The easiest way to do this is with your best trades. Grow with them. 8, finally, you're not specially screwed up. Men who can't both be right and sit tight are uncommon, said Jesse Livermore. Sorry, but you're not the only one. You're not the only trader who's had to conquer this trading challenge. I say that because this ought to give you some solace that there's nothing wrong with you. There might be, but it's not because of this. This is just something all traders have to work out as they're developing. So now this challenge is in your trading court. I hope knowing that makes it easier for you to find your solutions to improve holding to target. From all of us at S&B, train and trade well.